It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swo-Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, birds. Look, there's Honk the car. Morning, Swo-Swoosh, says Honk.
Morning, Honk,
Says Swo-Swoosh.
do you want to come and play?
Of course, Swo-Swoosh. What do you want to do? Asks Honk.
Why don't we go to the park and play?
Says Swo-Swoosh. But we did that yesterday, Swo-Swoosh. We always have the same games. I'm getting bored with the same games over and over, says Honk.
Okay, then let's decide to do something new. We'll play games we've never done before.
Honk was bored of the same games all the time. He wanted to do something new. Morning, Lolly. Morning, Tori. Swo-Swoosh and I have come to play.
Oh, good,
Says Lolly.
want to play hide and seek?
No, we just played that yesterday, complains Honk.
Do you want to see a new trick?
Asked Tori.
Yes, please.
Okay, here's my new disappearing trick.
But we can still see you, Tori.
I know, I was just playing a joke on you.
Very clever, Tori. Hey, I can do tricks too. Watch this. Whee! Honk was having fun.
Please, can I have a turn too? Here's what I can do. Watch this.
Says Lolly. That was great fun, Lolly. What about you, Swo-Swoosh? Can you do a trick? Calls Honk.
Sure, I can. Okay, I've got one. Here I go.
Look, Swo-Swoosh is flying around in circles for his friends. That was amazing, Swo-Swoosh, says Honk.
Flying is such fun. I could do many other tricks too.
Show us another one, Swo-Swoosh.
Yes, please, Swo-Swoosh.
Okay, here I go again. Look up.
Honk, Swo-Swoosh, and their friends had fun all day, doing tricks they had never done before. Have fun, everybody. Bye-bye, Honk. Bye-bye, Toot. Bye, Swo-Swoosh. See you next time.